Algorand is an open source decentralized blockchain network that leverages a two-tier structure and unique variation of proof of stake (POS) consensus mechanism to increase transaction speeds and achieve finality. Now, it is ranked number 20 on the list, currently trading at $9.92, and it is its ticker is ALGO. If you want to trade or hodl this, guys, let's see what platforms you get a part of. They're in Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Huobi Global, you get IO, Kraken. Let's see, BitThumb, Coinlist Pro, and Bitstamp. They're on a bunch of other platforms, guys. So you look at trading, hodling this, shorting, long. You guys can get part of this cryptocurrency. There's a lot of platforms, guys. Now, when it comes to the ratings, you get a B minus as December 3rd, 2019 from Symmetry and a double B from Stable Outlook. It is ranked in the top 90% of cryptocurrency ratings that Stable Outlook has done, which is absolutely amazing. I do like the top, basically like the top 100. Almost all the cryptocurrencies are rated. There's companies that go through. To me, that's a great thing. That means it means a whole lot more than a lot of these cryptocurrencies that just pop up. I mean, we get a whole bunch of we get like what 17,540 cryptos out there now on the CoinMarketCap that's reporting. So there's a whole bunch coming out. I prefer the ones with price ratings than the ones others, but it doesn't mean the others aren't bad. Just possibly these companies haven't got to them yet. Now, for their tweets, guys, if you guys want to go through, I will go through their Twitter page, but this is the only news that comes to the CoinMarketCap. It talks about, please be aware of a new scam that has been highlighted by the community members. There's a fake Algo wallet app on the App Store. You can see it's not by the Rand Labs. Please do not use this app. So if you guys using this cryptocurrency, watch out for that scam that they're annotating. We'll check out their website and also go through their grant programs, guys. If you're looking for that, this is actually a sweet car. Look at that. Algorand Foundation joins the race against climate change. That's fantastic. You guys want to read more about that? Check out their website. It's algorand.foundation. Okay. And if you want to look at some Algorand basics, I was reading through myself. I've made a couple videos about Algorand already, but just reading it a little bit more in depth. But if you guys want to look at their grant program, Algorand Foundation $250 million Algo grants program, check it out, guys. Read more about the proposals. Read more about the information about it. Definitely help if you're getting into part of cryptocurrency. Let's head to our Twitter page, guys. So the Twitter page, we're joining the party, getting investors to developers' new session. Seasons, economy, ecosystem, spotlight. So if you're going to check out this last post, Algorand, Ether, Denver. Check it out. There's their Algo wallet if you guys want their app. They got 98,000 followers, so big following, guys. But besides that, if you guys want to learn how to, if you guys want to follow me on social media, just follow me as Andre J. Mcclendon. I talk a lot of political stuff on here, guys, so hit me up there. But let's get to that price prediction. So, last couple price predictions, I talked about how it was very, very volatile over here. We're on the weekly, okay? And you can see that all this up here has been heading straight down, guys. And it's seemingly to stop on the support zone. And let's see if it will hold. I'll give you my analysis on that. And it did pop up, head down to lower, repeat that high, and then went down lower. And looks like it might repeat this high and possibly down lower. Let's see what the trends are giving us, okay? Now, this is from the previous videos. Let's delete that, and delete that, and delete that. Let's start this trend off. Oh, man. This trend is really, really going to have to be changed. Oh, my God. All right. Now, this trend right here did pop through right here, but it broke through, closed, and hit down lower. This trend might not hold this. So once again, being cautious like I always am, and I like to be very, very patient when it comes to trading, I'm going to look at this since it's almost about $1. And is it worth buying now? Because I believe that the majority of people are probably thinking about they're going to buy. It's going to break through this trend, close, beat this high, and head up higher to these prices right here. They're like, oh, it's going to be, this is the bottom, is the floor. Now, we all know in crypto, the dip can keep on dipping, right? So for me, I look at this as a key zone to see if there's a lot of wicks pointing away, kind of like this. Point away, big reversal. After that, point away, big reversal, slowing down. And this part, I'm just gonna wait. What I'm gonna do first, do a price alert at the $1.90, $1.09, sorry, $1.09 is gonna be my first price alert. Put it in my phone, price alert, $1.09. Okay. Once that's done, I'm gonna see about if it's gonna break this high and close to head up higher to break this trend. It's currently heading down. Because what I fear is what might happen is that it might hit this trend line or hit up here and cause it to go down lower again, or back to support zone, then break it down lower again. Not just a simple breakthrough. Because we could head down to these lows over here, which is like the 60. Let me modify this a little bit. Alright, let me get to do a square, rectangle. We could enter up on this zone down here. And if that happens, you might take some big pains if you're entering on a buy up here. So that's why I would wait for a structure to build before entering in and then capitalizing off that trade. Because it just seems like there's more risk. But my first what's it called? Price prediction is going to be $1.09, maybe $1.10. This is dollar. This is basically the same thing. Just at this high. I want to see if it can close above that. So price prediction, guys, $1.09, and it to close above this high and build structure above it and to head up higher. If it doesn't do that, then it's possibly going to be doing a bounce and heading back down lower to these prices. But that's my analysis, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. I just broke it down to very simple things on how I trade and how I see this and how I like to remove risk. Just doing a simple analysis for you guys, okay? Now let's get to that my website. So if you guys want a custom indicator, EA trading bot, please create it down below. Tell me about it, or just contact me down here. But I did add some stuff to the economy and stats. So if you're looking for stuff about the economy, more about trading and stuff, I will have this all updated. Same thing for cryptocurrency. So you guys can see special stats about that. All I have is the United States done, kind of done. You just click on the United States. You guys can choose by individual states, or you guys can look at the $30 trillion that the U.S. national debt passed, or the national gas prices and stuff like that. Or you guys want to look by state, you guys can do that right there. I haven't organized it all to make it look proper, but I'm just still updating as I go, so bear with me, guys. Because I use this stuff too, but I like to look at stats when it comes to trading, long-term stuff like that. But if you have any questions or comments, guys, about my analysis or Algorand, just drop it below. We can have that conversation. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.